The United States has more than 950,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 and more than 55,000 reported deaths. While the spread of the virus is slowing in some areas, new questions arise about how to maintain social distancing as the economy gradually reopens. CBS News correspondent Nikole Killion has the latest from the White House.
Dr. Deborah Birx, the White House coronavirus response coordinator, says social distancing will continue for months to come.
Social distancing will be with us through the summer to really ensure that we protect one another as we move through these phases.
New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said Sunday his state will likely begin to reopen the economy in certain areas after May 15th with precautions.
All that progress we made by flattening that curve, we could lose that in a matter of days if we're not careful.
Michigan's governor defended her state's stay-at-home restrictions, recently the focus of protest.
We have flattened that curve because people are doing the right thing and people recognize the value of the order that I've issued.
Some people who are venturing out, like Alicia Moore in Sacramento, California, say maintaining a safe distance isn't always easy.
We're all kind of just giving each other the eye, like, back up, you're a little too close.
Expedia and IAC chairman Barry Diller questions the practicality of social distancing in public places such as airliners.
The idea that you can take the middle seat out of an airplane and have any kind of, quote, social distancing is absurd.
With more than 26 million jobless claims, a senior White House economic advisor says the unemployment rate could approach levels comparable to the Great Depression.
We're going to need really big, thoughtful policies to put together to make it so that people are optimistic again and they start the economy again.
Ford Motor Company confirmed it plans to recall a skeleton crew of workers on Monday to prepare factories for reopening, even as UAW members expressed concern during the pandemic. Nikole Killion, CBS News, the White House.
The governor of Florida, Ron DeSantis, said that his state most likely peaked in its number of coronavirus cases and hospitalizations in early April. He says Florida's economy will reopen in phases.